Chapter 18. I'm back, y'all. It's hardly real with my mom, but I just listen to my music if she hurts my feelings. Because there's no point in telling her because it would be a bigger fight. And she gets mad at me enough. She does help me out a lot by taking me grocery shopping and to my doctor's appointments. And we go out to eat every now and then. Most of the time we don't talk, we watch TV and go to bed, and eat supper. I lost good friends online because of something I wasn't in the middle of. I tried dating online a third time, but he blocked me and never said why. A guy wants to ruin my online life.